guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious crispy cauliflower rice, and it's a dinner treat for everyone. So firstly, you're going to wash and dry the cauliflower and cut it into bite-sized pieces. And now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste for some taste. And I'm also going to add a spoon of salt and some all-purpose flour and corn flour. Now for the spices, add turmeric powder, chili powder, and coriander powder, and toss it in all together so all the cauliflowers are nicely tossed in together. You can already see the color difference when it's all mixed in properly. Now we're going to fry them, so in a pan, heat some oil up. And add in your prepared cauliflower. Slowly mix it in here and there. Keep frying it until it's nice and crunchy. I'm adding in another spoon of salt and keep mixing it in. Here we have our crispy cauliflower all done. Honestly, you can just eat it like this and it's so delicious. Now in the same pan, we're heating up oil. Add some chopped onions and some green chili and mix it together until they're nice and golden. On the side, I've just cooked some rice in a rice cooker. Once the onions are nice and golden, add some tomato sauce and some chili powder and salt and mix it in all together. I'm adding more tomato sauce for the taste. Now it's time to add the rice. And it's really important to mix it in now so you have some spice rice, or else you're gonna be eating some plain rice. So dig in deep and mix it in properly. I'm also going to enhance this by adding some pepper. So now there's only one thing left to do. Add in the cauliflower and mix it in all together. So now we have our cauliflower rice all done. You just need to mix it in. Make sure at the end you check the taste and if needed add some extra salt or chili powder or tomato sauce. I'm going to serve this yummy looking crispy cauliflower rice into a bowl and I'm going to enjoy it. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!